Trying to take a walk around our property today. Have a look at some stuff I seen a while back. My wife lived here. Well, she grew up here. She was a kid. And nobody's been out here in like 25 years till we got the place. As you can see, I'm having a little time here. Getting back where I'm going. Snow's up to my top of my boots. But I found some old car remains back here a while back. I ain't not sure how old they are. They're pretty old though. I plan on maybe using them for some of the leaf springs for making knives and stuff. Maybe tools. You see pictures of down the back side of the property. Oh, it's nice land out here. Just nobody's been out here in so many years. There's a lot of trees I need to clear out in the spring and stuff like that. Here's part of the old metal pile I found up here. See a car frame over here. Part of one. There's some tracks down here of something. Tell me what kind of critter's been out here. Got some old deer tracks. Can't even see the leaf springs I was talking about because they're buried in snow right now. Here's an old, I'm not sure what this is even. But there's all kind of stuff back here. I'll tell you what's all buried down the hill. Over there by it's like an old shed, and there's a hood off an old car, it's got from the 30s over there. I'll dig it out in the spring. There's more stuff out here, but there's pictures off the back side of the hill, going down a little valley-like thing. It's pretty land. Bunch of nature out here. I've got 2 deer out here myself this past winter. I just thought I'd shoot a little video showing some of the old place.